if you want the glossiest tire, the wettest look you can get, Adams Polish's High Gloss Tire Shine is absolutely the product for you. Do you want the ultimate gloss on your tires like this? Well, Adams Polishes has High Gloss Tire Shine. Now, this is a tire dressing or a tire shine that gives the ultimate gloss in the Adams Polishes line. It makes your tires look extra glossy, and for a lot of people, they love this look. Now, let's compare this to the other tire dressings that Adams Polishes offers. So as you can see on this tire, we've separated some tire dressings that we offer here at Adams Polishes, and on the top, High Gloss Tire Shine takes the cake for the shiniest you can get on your tire. So you have High Gloss Tire Shine on the top, which, I mean, it almost looks like the tire's wrapped in plastic, which is insane. Over here off to the right, we have VRT, and VRT is more of a matte finish on a tire dressing. Then you have the traditional tire shine down here at the bottom, and then you have the graphene tire dressing here off to the left. Now, all of these are separated by different looks, but also different protections as well. So High Gloss Tire Shine is not going to provide any protection whatsoever to your tire, whereas graphene tire dressing has the graphene protection in it, so it lasts quite a long time. And the traditional tire shine, you know, even though it's not as glossy as High Gloss Tire Shine, has a little bit of silica in it, which will last just a little bit longer. And then VRT is really designed to keep that dark, rich black look, but no shine at all. But if you're looking for this super gloss up at the top, like this tire has here, the High Gloss Tire Shine is gonna be the product for you. Now, let me teach you the best way to apply the High Gloss Tire Shine. And we actually have two methods that we're gonna talk about right now. All right, so when it comes to applying the High Gloss Tire Shine to your tires, there's somewhat of a specific way to do it. I think most people would just spray it in the applicator and slap it on, but at Adams Polishes, we always take it above and beyond. So when it comes to applying the High Gloss Tire Shine, what we want to do is we're going to spray this onto the tire, but I'm actually going to stop when I get here, because the stuff that makes your tire super shiny in this product, it can actually stain the concrete in your driveway or wherever you are. So I don't want to spray all the way down here and get it onto the concrete and stain it. So what you do is take the product and you're going to spray it into the tread block like so. And you can see I stopped about right here and I stopped about right here on this side. Then what I'll do is I take our Pro Tire Hex Grip, spray multiple sprays into the Pro Tire Hex Grip, and then what I'm going to do is start applying it to the side wall here, because right now we got it nice and even into the tread, and so we want to spread it out onto the sidewall like this. And as I go over the tread, I'm going to pick up more product so I can continue to spread it out onto the tire. And you'll see it will start to thin out a little bit, so I'll just go back to the applicator, spray some more into the applicator, and continue to dress the bottom portion of the tire. And I'm being careful that I don't touch the concrete, because like I said, the thing that makes High Gloss Tire Shine glossy will stain your pavement. So that looks pretty good like that. Now, the one thing I have to do is, once I'm done doing this process to all four tires, then I'll jump into the car, move it forward 3 feet, exposing the bottom section of the tread up here at the top, and then I'll spray it into the tread and dress the rest of the tires. Again, this is to avoid staining your concrete, because you definitely don't want that. So this is a nice even gloss, but if you want it like your tires look completely wet, like they're wrapped in plastic almost, I'm going to show you how to do that next. Okay, the second way to apply the High Gloss Tire Shine to make your tires look super wet and shiny is like this. Okay, so same concept. We're going to spray the tire shine into the tread, but essentially what we're going to do, we're going to spray this on here. Like so. And I'm going to spray more into the applicator. Like that. So you can see there's quite a bit. Like if I squeeze this, you can see how much is really in there. And instead of wiping this on, I'm actually going to dab this on here. I want this on as thick as possible. And if you feel like when you're dabbing this on, it starts to get a little bit thin, just give it a few more sprays. You're really gonna overload the applicator in this process. Because you're dabbing this on, you might get a little bit on your wheel, so you can come back later with Adam's detail spray or waterless wash and wipe your wheel down. But really what we're trying to achieve here is the glossiest tires we can possibly get. So spray a little bit more on. I want it as thick as possible on here. And I think the thing about it is you could keep spraying it on here, but what I don't want it to do is start running off onto the wheel. So dabbing it on nice and thick like this, it's a little bit easier way to control it. I might even give it a couple quick miss like that. And now what we do is we have it super, super thick on here. I'm going to walk away. So essentially what I would do if I was doing the whole process is I would do this to all 4 tires, get it nice and thick on all 4 tires. And then I could go do whatever I need to do, maybe grab some lunch, grab a snack, whatever it is. And we'll go and then we'll come back and then we lightly even it out and it will maximize the shine. And the reason why you do it like this is because this is a water-based high gloss tire shine. So essentially what we're doing is we're putting this on here. We're gonna let the water evaporate out of the formula on the tire. And then you'll have the really, really thick shine agent that's in here. And then we can even it out and be super, super shiny. So we'll take a break really quick, 15 minutes, we'll be back, and then we'll lightly even this out. Okay, we're back and it's been about 15, 20 minutes. And I brought a plush towel with me because I got a little bit of overspray. Maybe when I was dabbing it, I got some of the high gloss tire shine on the wheel. So after I'm done evening this out, I will hit it with the towel on the wheel. But essentially what I want to do is I'm not going to add any more high gloss tire shine to the applicator. I just want to even this out because I can still kind of see the texture from when I was dabbing it with the applicator. So just barely touching the tire, I'm going to just even this out like this. And you can almost see the lines of where you use the applicator, but it will end up self-leveling to nice and uniform and perfect. Okay, got it evened out. Now I'm just gonna take the towel and wipe down where I got it onto the wheel, and everything's gonna look perfect. Well, there you go. If you want the glossiest tire, the wettest look you can get from a tire dressing, Adams Polish's High Gloss Tire Shine is absolutely the product for you.